NASA's New Horizon, Artemis I's Uncrewed lunar flight test. The dawn of a new era in space exploration is upon us. NASA's Artemis I mission is setting a new precedent. This mission will see the first uncrewed test of the Space Launch System and Orion spacecraft, pushing boundaries like never before. For the first time, NASA will test new technologies in deep space, paving the way for future crewed missions to the moon and beyond. Artemis I is an embodiment of human innovation and determination. Its importance cannot be overstated as we seek to explore new frontiers. We trust in our scientists, engineers, and astronauts to make this mission a success, propelling us into the next chapter of space exploration. Perseverance, innovation, ambition. These are the driving forces behind Artemis I, a mission that will redefine our understanding of space and our place within it. Join us as we embark on this extraordinary journey. Witness history in the making with Artemis I, and dare to dream.